Welcome to Animal a Day, Q Week. 10 Quetzal Facts. The Aztecs' most important bird. 1. Quetzals are a group of 6 species of vivid birds in the Trogon order, with some of them having threatened populations. 2. They're found in Central and South America, through Mexico, and occasionally in small areas of the southwestern United States. 3. They're fairly big birds, at over 1 foot or 31 centimeters when fully grown, at least. 4. Many consider them one of the prettiest types of birds in the world. Quetzals have highly iridescent green or turquoise feathers, along with a scarlet belly and some other colorful areas on their bodies. A female's chest and head feathers are generally duller than the ones on a male. 5. Male Quetzals are known for their exceptionally long tail feathers. They can reach over 2 feet or 61 centimeters in length. Female tail feathers are much shorter. 6. They love eating fruit, especially those in the avocado family. They usually eat a fruit whole and spit out the seeds, making them excellent seed dispersers. They also eat bugs, smaller birds, and other small animals. 7. Similarly to woodpeckers, they use their beaks to make a cavity in a tree to dwell in or lay eggs in. Though they don't rapidly bang their beaks into a tree like them, but rather carve the crevice out more slowly and intentionally. Quetzals also prefer soft or rotting wood. 8. They were considered important to the Aztec and Mayan people. They symbolized several positive things like good luck and prosperity. It was also thought they were the messengers of the god of air. Paintings and statues often featured them, and the Aztec deity Quetzalcoatl is thought to have been inspired by Quetzals. 9. Mayans and Aztecs weren't allowed to hurt or kill them, but they could trap them temporarily to take some feathers. These feathers were valuable and used as adornments for high-ranking people. And 10. The term Quetzal originates from Aztec and means big, brilliant tail feather. Thanks for watching. Now take that subscribe button to the zoo.